impressive. Whoa. Check this out, guys. BMW M5. It looks sick. Look at this thing. Wow. Wow, these matrix lights. Yeah. Let's give you guys a walk around. It's all blacked out. Lovely M5 inscription right here. CM5 competition. Wow. You want me to rub it? Yeah, go ahead. All right. I love that you guys are. That is sick. Make sure to check out these guys, Car Guys Motors. Wow. Love the interior. It's pretty sick.
I know how it works.
CM5.
You guys have Utah County's lacking, so they used to have a performance motor was just had to go to. Brandon and Josh, right? Josh Ayers, not Josh Ayers, Josh Ash was one of my really good buddies, but he left. And now that was like the
Alright guys, let me know guys what you think about this M5 on a rating of 1 to 10. Let's go. Make sure to subscribe to Motorcar YouTube channel and hit the like button so you know when I post. Make sure to turn on the notifications as well.